it's very easy to um, misunderstand what Paul was saying with some things. But a big, huge mistake, which has really affected everything from personal life to government, the way our nation conducts itself, is the idea that we're not under the law. We're not under the law. And what that really means, the specifics of that, is if not dealt with properly, what has happened is we got into a point where you got into liberal theology, got to a point where we're getting into replacement theology. You get into a point where you even get into believing, and I know some ministries and some people believe that if you're not saved in this lifetime, it's the next lifetime, and that's what was called Mago Day or Disciple Fellowship had came up with, and that's a very dangerous doctrine. And what's bad about it, believing that if you're not saved this time, in the next lifetime, it doesn't give accountability. It says there that it wants to die and then the judgment, and I believe that's in Hebrews. That's a very dangerous thing. So it all starts from thinking that we're not under the law. And see, it all comes from the entire crescendo, if you want to may say so. Consistency, flow, and the understanding of what Paul was saying. And it comes from this in Romans 8. Now there's no condemnation that those who believe in Christ, who walk not after the flesh, but after the Spirit. The law of Spirit and life in Christ Jesus has made me free from the law of sin and death. And so what I'm going to go on to the next part to mention what this means.